carrying a gun. The most wanted criminal, you are hiding your face. This thing of hiding faces must come to an end. Must be declared a crime. What if you are a criminal yourself? You are hiding a face. Hiding a face from what? This is a democratic country. There are no rebels here. There's no one at war with anyone here. Why do you hide your faces? You kill people and then hide your faces. These companies must go, both of them. How do they kill a person and still come here? Because they are contaminating the scene. They are hiding the proof. They must leave. Yeah, they must go. These are the people.